this morning, guys. So today it's Monday, which is in Taoyuan. And then now we're going to check out. We just stay here for how many hours? We stay here. So we're going to walk around first before we go. Now I'm still hot because I have clothes tree inside.
都是水稻哦，就是真的是米哦。对。
Ngayon ko lang nabidyoan. Ang daming ganito na damo. Tapos na-harvesting ganyan. Ganda, bulaklak yung lahat. Ang gaganda.
我之前在的地方。
So we are here already in Taoyuan Station. So, ang daming bit-bit. Go our ticket. Kuhanin mo natin ticket namin. Get our ticket na. Waiting na lang kami ng aming ang aming
Hey, the ticket.
yeah. You hold first. I'm going to get just like this. Ticket was purchased before we go Taiwan through online. So pagdating sa train, ikinilim na lang namin. On the spot pwede, but it's depend availability. Pwede siya. This is the speed train go to Chiayi Station. So this is the view. Chiayi Station is not our destination for today because we're going to the mountain of Taiwan, which is Guanziling. All the hot spring it's in there. So after the Chiayi Station, we're going to get the bus go to Guanziling. So be ready, our foot, our legs, our hands, our tiredness, because we're gonna be too tired. No grab, no taxi, no rent a car, no rent a motorbike, just be your foot. Ganahan ko mukha ang dali kaysa tulod sa train, sa bus, sa mall, o sa mga naipagkaunan sa sulod. Why? Init kayo. Siguro naka-heater sila. So we decided na lang, tapaw. Tapos kakain dito sa labas. Pero hindi niya kakain dito sa gawas. Kaya mas bugnaw. Nakatapos, nakainganit ka. Tingnan kayo. Init kayo pag dito ka sunod mo kaon. So, manta. Super. Good timing after mag-lunch. Dumating yung bus. Schedule going to Guanziling. So, an hour din yung biyahe. After that, we're going to show you the place. We arrived to our destination. Wait, I need to walk 20 minutes. Dito na kami. Ang ganda ng mountain. Mga puto kami ito. Ting, ting, ting. Yan yung mga puto namin. This is their place. Yan yung mga rooms na they're going to provide us sa hot spring. Which is the information concierge tinatawag nila. Ang ganda kasi dito. What mountain na?
Oh, I know it.
So nice, guys. So beautiful. So we are ready. Our room is ready. Huh? So this is the house po. Pasok natin. Nasa room 115 tayo mga guys. Oh. Napaka-aesthetic naman. May TV like old fashion. So wet. Kasi parang lang, just done. So dito yung hot spring nila. Napa siya tabo. Represent the hot spring. Tiriring. So this is the day, the morning after yesterday. after yesterday. Yes, it's morning na guys kasi after namin mag-hot spring last night, we so tired for the travel for the half day. So we decided to soak ourselves and take a nap, but suddenly we just sleep along the way. We wake up 6 o'clock, so it's a good timing too because the breakfast here is this going to serve around 6 a.m. until 9:30 a.m. So that's it, our morning. We just eat breakfast because we have a lot of walking schedule for today. So this is it, the map that we're going to track to this morning. Today it's 31st of December. So belated Happy New Year all. So this morning we go to this red leaf park. So we're going there actually. How many walking distance is 20 minutes? Down here. Another 1 kilometer. So, bababa tayo guys. To this, yan sa baba na yan. Yan yung below the mountain. So, puro lakad to kasi pababa, puro hagdan guys. Ingat talaga. Kaya, minsan lang ako nakapag-videos going down. So, at this time naman, nakita namin ito isang tangke ng tubig na umuusok. It's a chlorine. The same mixing to the water. According to my husband. Ewan ko lang kung totoo. Kaya yan yarn. Yun yarn yung nakikita nyo. Then going down. Still moving on. O diba? May hagdan nun. Kapagod kaya hagdan na yung nakakatakot. Tsaka yung may bahay na yun guys. Sa gilid ko. Ayan, sa likod ko. Napaka-amazing. Kasi ang taas niyan. Which is nasa middle of the mountain siya. Paano nila napatayo yan? Ang nakaka-amaze lang dito. Kasi kahit gaano kataas. Eh, nabibuild up. Nakaka-build sila ng building. I don't know, it's house or it's a community ba? Yung parang tipunan ba nila yung ganun? Hindi ko alam. So this is the above the mountain. Ay, below the mountain pala. Above. Yan, lakad-lakad guys. Grabe. Yung tingin, yung parang magbibideo ako na titingin ako sa paa ko. Yung ganun. Nakakalula ba? Ganun. Enjoy na lang kayo guys. Goodness guys, sa wakas. Galing kami dyan sa taas na yan. Luckily, we are here already. Oh. Grabe eh. Dito kami. We from there earlier. Look at the house. Yan, yung bahay na yan. Dito na kami sa baba. Oh my goodness. This is the bridge that we're going to go, but suddenly they are closed. I think under renovation. So sad. We just walked too far for this one. For the bridge. At this time guys, mali pala kami kasi hindi yung bridge na yan. May another bridge pa na hindi namin napuntahan. Late na namin na-realize na this is wrong bridge that we talking about. It's another one. Tapos na kasi yung day namin kaya hindi namin napuntahan na. That's it lang. Sad, no? At this time, we just pataka na lang. Pataka og sakay. But we try to ask a driver also. Because kapay na guys, katamad, hindi katamad, nakakapagod na maglakad, ang layo, tapos puro pa siya pa slope down. So, ang ginawa namin, may bus pala, paakyat papunta doon sa hotel na tinutuluyan namin. Pero not really there in our hotel. Doon lang sa may kalsada talaga na 20 minutes. Yung sa taas na yun guys, yun yung bridge na we talking about earlier. Oh no, naputol yung isang voice over natin. Continue natin dito. Guys, makikita nyo, upon this riding going up, papunta doon kung saan kami nagstay, paliko-liko yung daan. Nakikita nyo, ganun yung daanan papunta dyan sa Gwinziling guys. Papunta talaga, pagpasok talaga dyan sa mahabang kalye na yan hanggang pa dyan. Meron pa yan hanggang pa, ay naku, ang layo niya guys. Tapos puro pa ganyan pa. Parang sa Pilipinas yung bituka ng manok. Ganun, nakakahilog, my goodness. Ay, that's it na. Haba na ng video eh. May town kasi tong Gwinziling, which is the Baihi town. So ito, para siyang small city na makakabili ka ng mga groceries, which is may mga mall na dito. Mall? Yung parang bilihan ng mga like may Watson na mga ganun, kaya nakakabili kami. Kaya kailangan ko ng conditioner kasi tumitigas na yung buhok ko at saka wala akong facial wash kasi we decided to buy here in Taiwan. And the bubble milk tea now. Masarap talaga. Espresso, ang sarap. Yeah. Sa sobrang sarap ng milk tea, kaysa ako na mamahagi sa asawa ko. Hindi ko ma-explain yung sugar niya. Parang may yung buba niya parang creamy. Hindi maintindihan. Sarap siya. Then nakita namin itong duck store. Parang masarap naman siya, kaya nag-try kami. Pero guys, oh my God, nasusuka ako. Hanggang ngayon. Dakwat, taksuka. Ay, hindi ko kaya ubusin. Eh, kinusto mo nga eh, kainin mo. Tangitag na ako eh. Actually guys, kinakaya ko na lang yan kahit nalalangsahan talaga ako. Kumakain ako ng duck, pero at this time nalalangsahan ako. At saka nakikita nyo yan, dugo ng duck with glutinous rice. Kaya hindi ko siya maano kasi lalong lumangsa kasi dahil sa glutinous rice, hindi ko alam. Basta malangsa sa kaya inaano ko na lang yung parang basta ubusin ko kasi nagagalit yung asawa ko. Ginusto mo kasi hindi siya kumakain ng duck. Ako lang. Kaya kahit actually hindi ako gutom yan. Busog na busog ako pero tinitiis ko lang kasi yung asawa ko kasi ayaw na ayaw yung mag-iwan ng pagkain. Kung hindi na talaga kaya ng sikmura, siguro yun na parang siguro na niya, natatanggap niya. Pero yung mga ganito, yung takotikim ako, tapos hindi ko mauubos, nagagalit yan, kaya tingnan mo, nasusuka na ang peg. Sige girl. Natatawa talaga, naalala ko talaga. Hanggang ngayon guys, naalala ko talaga yung lasa niyan. It's a duck bihon soup. Akala ko masarap kasi masarap yung natikman ko before, but this time stinky siya. So after our duck, so is here. Oh my God. So our day, it's going to be end this one. This video was talk last December 31st. So ang aming New Year guys sa lubong is tulog kami because we're so tiring. So, hindi ko lang napakita lahat ng videos kasi pagpakita ko, nagpo 45 minutes siya. So, yung mga caption na lang ng mga ganito para hindi na ako malibog ba mag-explain. Parang kasalanan ko pa. So, umuwi kami niyan. Actually, dito mabilis lang magdilim. That's it for today. Next vlog.